The 2015 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, electronic stability control, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, anti-roll bars. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, panic alarm, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, radio data system, air conditioning, AM/FM stereo radio. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.